Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the header on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, create a new site, and then right here in the center, you're going to find all of the sites that you have. So right now you can either create a new site or edit a site that you already have. So for example, I'm going to this site and I'm going to click on select and edit site. So once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once you're here in your dashboard, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections, setup, home, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on it. And then you'll be here in this page. So basically, guys, here you're going to find the editor for Wix websites. So just wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you're going to be right here. So as you can see guys right here, if you hover your mouse over the sections, as you can see guys, you can either edit this section alone or this section. So if you go to the section on the top, you're going to find this right here. As you can see guys, the name of the section is header. So just click on it and then you can literally click on anything in this section and move it or edit it. You can also click on the quick edit tool right here. So once you click on this tool right here, you can name the header right here. As you can see, guys, you can also add a card icon. Here, you can add a background or change your background. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the horizontal menu. You can also manage that menu. And then once you finish editing your header, you can just click on publish and then all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.